Today's lesson is about how to export a Gedcom file from your RootsMagic program. And before we get into how to do that, I just want to explain what a Gedcom file is. So I did a Google search, and this is what we are told by Google. Gedcom, the acronym stands for Genealogical Data Communication. And it's a proprietary and open de facto specification for exchanging genealogical data between different genealogy software. And the cool thing is that Gedcom was developed by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints as an aid to genealogical research. So what it really is it's just a way to export your data from your genealogy program and share it with different genealogy software. So for this lesson, I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to do that from your RootsMagic file. And hopefully this will help you with any database that you own. If you own Ancestral Quest or Legacy, just anything like that. This is just a basic way of how to do it. It might be a little different in each program. But this one is the one for RootsMagic. So I'm going to come down here. You might not be able to see this, but I'm going to go ahead and open my RootsMagic. And all that I have to do is I go up to the File menu up here on the left-hand corner, and I click that. And then as you can see, there's different options. And what I'm looking for is Export. Export means I'm going to take everything, put it into a file, and then I can use it. Import is if you want to take someone else's and put it into yours or create a new file. So I'm going to go ahead and export. And what comes up is that it says, here's the Gedcom export, and it says people to export. I can do everyone right here, or you can click this little down arrow and you can select from list. And so I can go through here and select individual people that I want to export. I can do a person and then make it a family. And I didn't want to go into that right now, exactly how to do that, because I just am going to show you simply how to export everyone. And if you would like help with how to export just a small group, let me know, and we can do that too. So I'm going to go ahead again and just select everyone, but make sure that you know what you're selecting. Maybe you haven't selected everyone and it only has a couple people that come up. And here we go. You can decide what data you want to export. Do you want to export the notes, the sources, LDS information, addresses, to-do tasks, research logs? What would you like to? You can decide what you would like to export. Maybe if you're sharing it with someone that's not a member of our faith, you might just take off the LDS information and export it that way. So anyway, and that's all you do is select what you want, but make sure you have everything that you want. And then just click OK, because I just want everyone. And then what this does is this is just going to save it somewhere. So you'll come up with this save as, and it may be different on other programs. And the file type down here is going to be a Gedcom file. So all I have to do is name it. I'm just going to name it Patterson because that's the main person on this file. And then the most important thing is to save it where you can find it again. Do you know a lot of times you save and you can't find it? This is the really important part. So right here, it says I'm saving it to OneDrive in my documents. This is a pretty new computer and I don't use that very much, so I could select whatever I want over here. I think a lot of times I would just select the desktop. And let's just do that right now just for this example so that we can just go see it. So anyway, I can just select desktop and I'm going to hit the save. Okay, and you see how this comes up, how many people and families is going to save. Okay, so it's done. It's really fast, isn't it? I'm going to close this window and close this one so I can just show you where it's saved. So here I am on my desktop, and I don't have a lot on it, but this is it right here, Patterson. And if you, just trying to see if it would show you that's a Gedcom. See if I click that, see how it says the type is Patterson.ged, which means it's a Gedcom. So that's the type that you have to have it in to be able to share it with other things. For example, with MyHeritage, it says you can upload a Gedcom, and this is what you could do is get your Gedcom and then upload it to MyHeritage or Ancestry, any one of those. So I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have questions. I think it's 14, doesn't it?